And welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I have a Christmas tree skirt for you today. It is 24 inches by 24, but you can make it bigger if you'd like to. It's a repeating of 2 rows that makes this happen. It does have a slit, it does slightly overlap. And because of that, I'm having trouble writing this thing out. So I'm just gonna do a tutorial and you can see how it's done. And it's just a matter of understanding the 2 rows. So what this is that this is one ball right here of Bernat Blanket Mystical, and this is another ball here, and then you see the white trim here. This is called Birch and Bernat Blanket, and I use the same ball for both. So this is a great scrap yarn project that you can throw underneath your tree. So I'm going to show you how this is done, and let's begin. If you would like more specific information, please see the video description. There's a link there, and that will tell you a little bit more about this. So you'll be using an 8mm size L crochet hook with your Bernat Blanket yarn. The interior space that we'll leave is about a 2-inch diameter pole for the center of your probably artificial tree. You're going to begin after the slip knot is on, and you're going to chain 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20, and 21. So once you have this looks a lot bigger than what it will end up being, and let's begin row number 1. So let's begin row number 1 where we start wrapping around the center of your pole. So we'll have a slit because we're going to go back and forth in the rows. So what I need you to do is to go 3rd chain from the hooks. We have 1, 2, and 3, and just go to the 3rd one away and apply a double crochet. Okay, so this one here, and this counts as 2 double crochet in the 1st stitch. Now, we're going to skip only the next 2. So 1 and 2, go to the 3rd one away right here, and you're going to apply a corner, and the corners are 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, all within the same chain. So lots going on in that one chain by itself. So we're now going to proceed to another corner. So just carefully looking at your work, you're going to skip the next 3. So 1, 2, 3, go to the 4th. Okay, so did you notice last time we only skipped 2? The rest of the sides we're skipping 3s. So we're going to skip 3, go to the 4th, and place another corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now, because this is Bernat Blanket, it's really easy to hide stuff. So if you're off by a stitch count near the end, who cares, right? It'll all balance out after this row is done. So if you're off in any way, it's easy to recover. So now you can see that we have the first side with the slit, the full side here, and we're along this side here. So we're going to skip the next 3. So 1, 2, 3, go to the 4th. Right there. So that's a corner, so it's 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. I made a mistake, so I've ripped out my work, so I have the yarn that I pulled out of the yarn ball already sitting on the table. So I had to refill. So chain 2, and three more double crochet. Okay, so now you can see this. So we're coming up along this side here. So this is the starting opening, side. So now we're going to skip 3. So 1, 2, and 3 right there. So this is another corner. So it's 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now, people don't like when the slit of a skirt is open, so I had to design this in a way that it will overlap perfectly. Okay, so once you're here, you can see that you're getting very close to the end. Okay, so we have to finish off this side of the there. So you're just only going to skip 2 and go to your final one, and in the final, you're going to place in 2 double crochet. So this is the starting, and once this is done, all the stitches will line up then perfectly. Okay, so you can see this is the open slit right here. You're coming along the side, 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 and so it'll overlap just slightly like that. So you're going to turn your work, and let's begin row number 2. So there's only a total of 13 rows altogether. The first 11 are one ball of Bernat Blanket, and then the final 2 is another ball of something new because you will run out of yarn. So that's why there's 2. So we're going to begin this row by chaining 3. So 1, 2, and 3. That counts as your first double crochet. And what I want you to do is right in the space here, okay, you're going to apply 3 double crochet. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So while I'm here, I'm just going to show you. Last time we had 2 double crochets before, and now it's only 1. So we're staggering between 2 and 1, 2 and 1 all the way through. So we can see that the corner is next, so we're going to make this as a corner. So it's going to be 3 double crochet first. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so now here is the next corner right here, so we can see that there's a space before we get there. So every time we're going around this thing now, we're going to get more and more spaces before corners. So just go right into the next space and apply only 3 double crochet. You're noticing that I'm not chaining 1 between the groups so that it stays nice and tight. So we can see the corners next, so let's make this as a corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, this is the corner over here. This is a space, so obviously this is the runway between the corners. So 3 double crochet. So really you're just looking to make sure that you're either in a space between the corners or you are in a corner. So this is a corner, so we'll continue to make that a corner of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so here is the next corner. We just want to go into the space here. So we're not in a corner, we're still on a side. So 3 double crochet. Next one is a corner, so 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So we're coming up on the final side here. So you're going to go in this space right here before this 2 double crochet. So there will be 3 double crochets there. And the easiest way to know what's going on in the final is to look at what was below. And so below you see that there's 2 double crochets here. That means that there only has to be 1 double crochet this time. And that's how we started anyway when we chained 3, if you recall. Okay. So this will slightly overlap. When you've got it all settled out, going to turn your work and let's do one more row. So let me show you another row. So the only difference is now is that it's getting bigger. So you notice that there was only 1 double crochet here. That was that chain or sorry, the 1 double crochet there. This means that this row coming up has to have 2. So you're going to chain 3 and then another double crochet into the top of that one. So remember what I said, you had 2 here, just 1, and this has to be 2, so therefore the next one has to be only 1. So you're looking for the next space, which is right all the way over here. 3 double crochets. I designed a skirt once that didn't completely close and people got upset about it, so that's why I'm doing it like this. So here in the corner, make it a corner. So 3 double crochet. So by eliminating the chain 1 in between, it actually makes the yarn go farther. So chain 2 to turn and 3 more double crochet into the same corner. So then you look at this side here, the corner's way over here, so you got 2 spaces in between before you get a corner. So 3 double crochet in each. And remember what I said, there's only 13 rows complete for this whole thing. So the first 11 are one color and the final 2 are a different color. I don't think you can go any further with the first color beyond what I just said for the first 11. So here now in the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So it's a great project to do in front of your TV, or you're sitting somewhere. They don't take very much time to make these things. So Christmas is coming for me, so I really want this to get done. So you can see the corners way over here. I got 2 spaces. So 3 sides are very similar, or are the same as each other. It's just the opening slit side is the only thing that you got to pay attention to. The color you're seeing on screen today, this is a corner, so 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. The color that you're seeing on screen is called birch. So I kind of like it. It's not completely white and it's not completely grayed out either. It's a great color. So then just fill in your spaces before the next corner. So if you're following along on this thing in real time, then this is the 3rd row that you're going to be finishing, and if you only have 13, you only have 10 more rows to do, so that's why it goes pretty fast. So this yarn is really thick, the hook is big, and therefore the stitches are chunky and the project won't take forever. Okay, this is the final edge. So you can see you got a space here before the corner. So just fill in the space what you know. And then you have to decide what you're doing at the end. So you can see there's only 1 double crochet here, so therefore there has to be 2 into that one over top of it. Okay, and then that's it complete. So it's going to overlap just ever so slightly like that. And so you're just going to repeat then the 2 rows back and forth until 13 rows are complete. And it's a really easy way to be able to make a Christmas tree skirt. We hope you see you again, and I'll see you online.